Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and guess what? I decided to give you guys another update on the complete remodel that I'm doing for this bathroom. So the last time I showed you all the roughing in the framing phase, so basically this is like halfway to 3/4 of the way done. So let me start over here. Okay, so here's the shower stall. What you see back there, that green stuff, dark green, that's that aqua defense that you put on the joints of the cement board. I've seen some guys go ahead and just paint the whole cement board with it. You could, that's your option. But at least what I did is I put 2 coats on here. You put the first coat, let the first one dry. Normally it takes like 30 minutes or so. And then you can put on the second coat. So that's what I did. But you can see that I hit all the important places. Okay, especially the niche. As you can see, the niche is completely covered twice. And then, of course, the big joints, corner joint, my water supply outlets, the valve. Okay, the screw heads. Those individual spots you see, that's where the screw was for the, what do you call it, for the cement board. Okay, so I went all the way up, like I said, as high as my tile is gonna go, and came down in that corner. Of course, the platform completely painted over also, just to make sure. And I hit the joints down here, and just to let you know, right there's one bead of caulk already underneath that. So when I come back and put the tile, after the tile is done, I'm going to go ahead and put a second bead of caulk. It's like double protection. Alright, and you can see the sheetrock is up. This is like the first coat of compound. And on all the joints, screw heads, there's my light fixture there. Looking pretty good. Like I said, all the corners done. Medicine cabinet, that's going to stay like that. All the way down to the floor. Outside corner, okay, is done. There's the box that I made up top for that valve, shutoff valve, new shutoff valve location. All right. Like I said, all the walls are done. Well, this is the first coat anyway. And I just got done scraping off the heavy, not the heavy stuff, but the little crusties that you get from putting the first coat. All right. And here's that 32-inch by 80 door, 6-panel, solid core door that I went ahead and installed. Framed it up, like I said, everything came out good. I just finished putting the latch on. Let's see, is this going to be blurry? No. Okay, so, okay, they bought this new fancy little handle. Alright, and right now it's still in the unfinished stage, the framing that is, as you can see, shimmed down there, right here, and then right there in 4 places. Alright, just to make sure we get a nice straight finish work. Top is pretty much already flush. Let's see, here I made sure that I put a screw right where the hinges are, right there to hold it into the wall, and right there. And same thing on this side. Okay, actually I got 1 there, 2, 3, and 4. Wherever there was a spacer that I put a screw. As of right now, I really don't need to put anything up here, because this is the important part. The jamb outside is the important part. And that's what it looks like from this side. Okay, little gap up there, but with the molding going over that, you aren't going to see it. Like I said, this side is flush. This side right here is flush all the way up. And when I installed this, I actually made sure that the door is more to the left so that I would have a nice surface on this side to put the molding. The molding is 2.5 inches wide, and usually you cut this about halfway on the edge when you put the molding, a 1/4 inch. You take a 1/4 inch off of here, and that's where the edge of your molding goes. So I want it to have as much meat on this side as possible, so it doesn't look too weird, because you know, on the left side you'll have a full size, and then here if you had like one skinny little piece, it would look weird. And that's because you got this inside corner here for this other door that goes right into the other room. But yep, so far, like I said, 3/4 of the way down. Oh, ceiling patch is completed also. There's a big patch right there. Come on, focus. And then the tiny little patch over there, and the big patch right there. This is where that can light was, right there, and then that one was where that light fixture, or the light fixture box was. Okay. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And the next video I'm going to do for this is the update of when I have the window installed and pretty much in a finished state when I start installing all the fixtures. All right. Yeah, doing sheetrock and drywall, that's not my favorite. Got to do it, but like I said, I'd rather be doing all the other stuff. So this is still I'm probably gonna end up sanding down some of the high spots still, and then coming back with a wider knife, because this is the one that I use, and this is a 5 inch right there. So I'm gonna come back with probably the 7 or 8 inch and flare everything else out. Get a nice wide bead all over the place, and then knock that down and then sand it down, and hopefully that will be done and ready for paint. Alright guys, well this is it for this one. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.